Hello, America. I mean,
Not bad. Right.
no, I am doing a news report right now. I'm anonymous.
Ooh,
Yeah, no,
That's very strong.
yeah, but listen.
Dude, that's gonna fuck us up.
Yeah, but I'm anonymous.
It's
I know, but listen. I am anonymous. Hello, people of the world. My name is Anonymous.
No, listen though. Listen. This was fucking vodka.
Okay, but listen.
That's.
Yeah, but I
we're
do.
good.
But have you not seen the
I'm
news?
already buzzed. Oh,
Yeah, hi, Mike,
What
Mike,
is it?
Mike. Have you watched the news? And you see the anonymous? That's me.
Yeah, you're fucked up, and I'm getting fucked up
No,
now.
but listen.
Off of this.
That
Yes,
is
I do.
no fuck.
I
No,
had
let's
this
no
much
listen,
in
Mike.
the
You
bar.
never fucking listen. Hillary Clinton would never have made a good president. She sold out to all of the banks and all of the. She also has health problems. Watch this tape right here and see her slip when she's going into her secured car. Please watch. Please watch. What did you think of that video? We think that it is a sign that she may be a reptilian. When you watch the news, you see Anonymous?
Yeah.
That's me.
That's not.
It is me. Yes, it is. I'm an I am anonymous.
You are drunk.
No, I'm making I'm anonymous. Hello, my name is Anonymous. We got a big problem.
You guys were fucking all worried about everything.
I'm doing. I'm in it.
Such bullshit.
I'm doing an anonymous video.
You guys stressed me all out. There was
I am anonymous. Please. The United States is in trouble. The United States of America is in a lot of trouble. George W. Bush is responsible for destroying the Twin Towers and maybe Building 7. Alright, listen, I would not like you to pour orange juice on the computer. I'm trying to enlighten the world here, and you guys are talking about dicks and stuff. What matters is the fact that George Bush did a false flag attack on our nation.
sucked a lot more dicks than Michael has. Adam.
We're not, doesn't matter how many dicks I sucked. What matters is the security of our nation.
Dicks have you sucked?
It doesn't matter how many dicks I sucked, and what matters is the fact that we did. May God bless America, and may God bless the United States of America.
Alright, you guys need to leave. I gotta talk to Nick in a minute.
Oh yeah, is he your boyfriend? Are you gay?